Yes, but I'm going to send the link soon. Can you share the link as fast as possible? Nishika, come on, start solving the question. Try this beta because we need to solve the question with very fast pace. So revision is must needed. Get start with this work. Come on, come on, come on, come on. You can do it, children. Come on, children. Let's start the session. Now look at the total number of terms in the expansion of, so here 51 to the power 51 is there, x minus x plus e to the power 51, x minus e to the power 51. So how many terms will get minus? You need to tell me the shortest answer. How many terms will be there which will get minus? 51 terms are there. In shortest way first to understand. So what is the answer? Option number, come on, start answering the question. What is the correct answer? The total number of terms in the expansion of, so here shortcut method, first we will generate an idea. Once we are generating the idea, we will be able to solve the question. So here if x plus a to the power 2 is there, and then minus x minus a to the power 2 is there. So total this one is having 3 terms, this one is having 3 terms, correct? So now look at it, it will become x square plus a square plus 2ax. Now minus, it will come x square, and then here it is coming because minus 2ax plus a square. So this is exactly this. So x square will get cancelled, and after that plus 2ax minus 2x will get cancelled. So two terms are there. Among three terms, only two terms are coming. So among three terms, if only two terms are coming, then here how many terms are there? 52 terms. So 52 terms here is there. So this is exactly 52 terms. 51 plus 1. So it is coming as 52 terms. So half of 52 terms is coming as how much? Half of 52 terms is coming as 26. So correct answer is going to be coming as 26. The correct answer is coming as 26. Children, you have to participate. You have to say the answer as fast as possible. Everybody must answer the questions, please. So this is a revision session where all the questions I am going to discuss. So come on, answer the question. You need to answer the questions, please. Otherwise, I will close this. Now, Nishika, give the answer. The total number of term in the expansion of this and this after simplification. So first part when we were solving, we learned a technique. In minus part, we are just dividing it by 2. In plus part, what is the answer? पायोजा रिवीजन करा रही हूँ, पूरे अच्छे से आंसर करो, सब कुछ छोड़ करके पहले आंसर करना शुरू करो. कम ऑन, कल सुबह भी रिवीजन चलेगा, कल सुबह का भी रिवीजन है टोटल, कल कॉम्बिनेशन का रिवीजन है. स्टार्ट करो पहले, कम ऑन आंसर करो. The total number of terms in the expansion of x plus a to the power 100, x plus a to the power 100 and x plus a to the power 100, x minus a to the power 100. How many total terms will be there? How many terms will be there? Come on, answer the question. So see, one technique, B answer. Let's check this one out. The correct answer is not B. B is not the correct answer. Nishika, what is the correct answer? Come on, say. Huh? See, I am telling you one technique of solving this question. B is not the correct answer. The correct answer I am going to tell you. D also is not the correct answer. B and D both are not the correct answer. But the correct answer is C. Very good, deadly. So definitely the correct answer is C. Why? Because the correct answer will be C. Because the total number of terms are 100. And 100 is exactly what? Even number. Okay? Plus minus. Yes. Plus minus. That's what trick I am going to tell beta. Plus minus part is there. So 100 is exactly total number of terms. So now since it is even number, what we are going to do? 2 plus 1. That's it. So it is coming as 51 terms. So usually whatever numbers are present in the degree plus one term will be there. So here x plus 1, but here plus is there, and definitely this plus will be exactly going to cancel the remaining negative terms. Understood or not? Remaining negative terms. So if three terms will be there, so plus and minus two terms will be exactly left over. So total addition will be 4. So here just one single technique is there, that is x plus 2 whole square plus x minus 2 whole square. So here what will be left? Two terms will be here, two terms will be here. Four terms will be left here. Understood? So this is exactly one thing. But here 100 is there and 100 is there. So definitely in 100, every term, 101 terms will be there, because this part 101 terms, that part 101 terms. So total is 202 terms are there. Okay, 202 terms are there. But in that 202 terms they are there, in that half part is exactly minus 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 section will be, wherever this part will be there, plus minus alternate terms will get cancelled. But this is a very long trick to solve. So what is the shortest way? Whatever is the degree given, understood, whatever is the degree given, that degree divided by 2 plus 1, that degree divided by 2 plus 1. I hope you might have understood. And when odd number will be there, odd number of terms will be there, when odd number of terms is there, at that particular moment n plus 1 by 2. Simple strategy. Odd number is there, then n plus 1 by 2. So both are having what you call, both are having same. Previous question, both are having number of terms same. So that's what formula I have done just directly. Yeah? For odd number is directly addition, 51 plus 1 by 2. For odd number, because both are having what? Both are having same number of terms, 51 and 51. So the trick is 51 plus 1 by 2. Understood? For odd number. N is odd, na? So 51 plus 1 by 2. So it is coming as 26. 51 plus 1 by 2, it is coming as 26. What about yes, absolute? Now it is correct. So the answer is coming as 26. Nishka, clear? समझ में आया? Now next one, beta. Now every night till your examination is not going to be over, 40, 40, 50, 50 minutes session I am going to keep. Don't worry about time. Study first. So now look here. The total number of term in the expansion where even number is there. For even number, what is the formula, beta? For even number, the formula is 100 by 2 plus 1. So that number of terms will be left. Others cancel, but the number of terms left is this one. So I hope everybody might have understood this one. Come on, go for the next question. And your time starts now. Come on. Now what happened? Now what happened? Come on. So can I explain this part? Can I explain this part? See, trick and trick. So here iota is there, iota is going to be bringing plus minus. So 100%, yes. So here you need to understand one thing. I will not be talking about the numbers because numbers are same. Okay. Numbers part is not our part of game. Here it is, ma'am, for odd degree we are not going to use n plus no, n by 2, n plus 1 by 2. For odd use n plus 1 by 2. For even is n by 2 plus 1. For even is n by 2 plus 1 beta. For even is n by 2 plus 1. Okay. Now look here beta. Here now see both numbers. Please no, you need to tell the option here, beta. Getly? You need to tell the option here. The option is exactly going to play a crucial role here. Now, please, children, can I explain this one? See, root 3 by 2, I by 2. Why this much, yaar, Pulavri? So, you need to remember only one thing. See, I will be taking one simple thing. What is fitting in brain? We must do that part. So, here one thing is there. We will take this as A and we will take this as B. So, it is coming as A plus IB to the power 5 plus A minus IB to the power 5. So 100% this will be exactly having how many terms? Fifth term A will be 5. I want to know only option. Here real part, imaginary part, this and this is written. So definitely real and imaginary, they are majorly what they are asking. They are asking real and imaginary section. So we need to be what they are asking, we will serve that one. Na? So this section is having imaginary. A for B. Coefficient, what is the need of writing coefficients here? I A for B. Now here I square A cube B square plus I cube A 4 A2 B3 plus I4 AB4 plus I5 B5. Now see plus part A5. Now this section will be in minus because wherever odd terms, B will be wherever odd terms. This section is going minus, this section is going plus, this section is going minus, this, see, this every alternate term, this gone, this is plus section, this is minus, this is gone, this is plus, and this is minus, this is gone. So which terms are existing? This term is existing, this term is existing, and this term is existing. So very cleverly, this is real part. This is also I square is minus 1. Whatever, here also I square will come. So this is also real part, and whatever I4 is also real. So this is real. That means imaginary part is 0. Answer is B. How much time it is taking? So answer is B. What is the correct answer here is? Answer is B because imaginary part is 0. Why I did like that A and B? Because they did not ask any value, boss. So if value might have asked, then real part, imaginary part, greater equal something. First, the survival of the fittest. Here, survival is not there for real and imaginary. The moment I have applied my brain, like alternate will get cancelled, then definitely something might be done for iota, and we are getting actually the answer. We are getting actually the answer. Sorry for this. So we are getting the answer. So 100% the answer is exactly in your favor if you will solve like this. A small putty trick and answer will be solved in no case. I hope everybody understood. Okay, so now are we going for the next question? We can beta, but I'm not, I'm totally compiled with many questions. So now look here, the question is the coefficients of second, third and fourth term in the expansion of this are in AP. Then the value of, wow boss. So second, third, fourth term, only 3 terms are there. Only 3 terms are there. Please focus into that 3 terms and you will be able to solve the question. And your time starts now. No, real, how real will be? Only real, see, if real is greater than 0, in previous part question, what is there? If real is greater than 0, imaginary is also greater than 0. Real is greater than 0, imaginary is less than 0. But here, only real is there, imaginary part to fully cancelled, na? When I solved, I got full cancellation of imaginary part. Only real part was there, Payoja. Then how can we say that C and D will be the answer? It's absolutely wrong. Only full imaginary part was 0 and real part was non-zero, because if you solve also, you will get some real answer. So answer was B. Now come on, go for this question. Can I teach you this question? See, if somebody will be asking me this question, the coefficients, boss, why we are going to talk about other things? We are not going to talk about X. What is needed, that you only have to serve. So what is the need part is second, third and fourth coefficient. See, coefficient of second, third and fourth. So if somebody will be asking me, it will start with NC0, then NC1, x NC2 x square, NC3 x cube. So they are telling second, third and fourth. Second is this one, third is this one, NC4x4, and fourth is this one. So these 3 coefficients are in AP. That is NC1, NC2 and NC4 are in AP. So if these 3 terms are in AP, means what we are going to get? If these 3 terms are in AP, 7 absolute. Let's check this one out, beta. So this part will be what? We know if 3 terms are in AP, how we are writing? B minus A. This is A, B, C. So B minus A is equal to C minus B. So 2 times of B is equal to A plus C. So here 2 times of B means NC2 is equal to NC1 plus NC4. That's it. Story over. Understood. Now here, if it is there means n factorial to directly gone, because it will come as n factorial by n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. It is coming as n factorial by n minus 1 factorial into 1 factorial, then n factorial by n minus 4 factorial into 4 factorial. So first to n and n gone. Now here it is coming as correct. So n minus 2, here 2 factorial. I'm solving for you people. So here n minus 1. So definitely n minus 4 means what? We have to open it till that terms. We have to open it till that terms. Is NC3 is coefficient of fourth term. Let's check. First, second, third, fourth. Oh, sorry, boss. Correct only, Siddharth. Correct time entry. First, second, and what is the term? Second, third, fourth. So second, third, fourth. So NC3. Okay, Siddharth, done. We are not going to change this one. Everything is there. Only NC3 will come here. Then the work will become more easy. Now, because here it will come as NC minus 3 factorial. It is coming into 3 factorial. And then all gone. This part is there. N minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 factorial plus here 1 by n minus 3 factorial. And this part is 2 factorial, that is 2 n minus 2, n minus 3 factorial. In shortcut MCQ, so all these are gone. So definitely it is coming 1 by 2, n minus 2 equal to 1 by n minus 1, n minus 2 plus 1. Story over here itself, because we are going to shift this that side. We will take 1 by n minus 2 common. It will come 1 by 2 minus 1 by n minus 1 is equal to 1. So definitely after that n minus 1, n minus 1 minus 2 by it is 2 n minus 2. If we will substitute the value now in shortest way, it will also come, the answer will come. So n minus 2. So n minus 3 part is coming 1. So after solving, n minus 3 equal to 2 n minus 1 n minus 2. So 100% the coefficient part will be coming. If I will put here, we have to make LHS is equal to RHS. So because n minus 3 is there, n minus 2, n minus 1 is there. So what will be the value? Because of this, the red part will become equal. So definitely what answer is going to come? 7 is coming. For how many people 7 is coming? Come on, check. How many people 7 is coming? Question number. How many people 7 is coming? Only one person. Okay, Deadly has solved the question. Very good. So once you are substituting the value, LHS will become equal to RHS. So when n is equal to 7, 7 minus 3 is equal to 4, and here it will become 7 minus 1, 6, and here it is coming as 2. Definitely it will come LHS equal to RHS only you have to bring. So just substitute the value and get LHS equal to RHS. The shortest way of getting. So LHS is equal to RHS, you will get the answer. Since we have more question logs, come on, go for this. Question number 5. Come on, go for it. Question number 5. Given the integer r is greater than 1, strictly greater than 1. Remember, n is strictly greater than 2. And coefficient of 3r and r plus 2th term in binomial expansion. Oh, nice question. Come on, go for it. Come on, say the option fast. Which is the correct answer? Try. You can try and do it. Options, beta. N is equal to 2r, n is equal to 3r, n is equal to 2r plus 1. Beta, without wasting time, what they have given that, given the integer r greater than 1, n greater than 2, and coefficient of 3rth term. So if somebody will be asking you 3rth term, 3rth term and r plus 2th term means one term will be less, one term will be less whenever we are writing 3rth term. So that's what I told you, na, tr plus 1, sorry, it will be exactly coming as what? At the time of teaching, if somebody will tell as rth term, so we are writing r minus 1, one term less than that. Okay, very good, Sujata. So here whenever we are writing r plus 1, that is rth term. Rth term means r plus 1. Okay, Rudra has given answer A, super Rudra. So definitely fall into this competition and take out. I'm ready to every night from here to examination. Night 10 o'clock also I'm going to stand, miss. I will stand for you people. So now listen, beta. First work is 3r. So it will become what, beta? 2n C 3R minus 1. This is one term will come, and they are telling that both the terms in the binomial are equal. So here it will become N2N C R plus 2 is there means 1. You're understanding? One term lesser than this. One term lesser than this. So TR minus 1 and this one is there. Now both are equal. So 2n factorial by here 2n minus 3r minus 1 into 3r minus 1 factorial. And here it is exactly coming as 2n factorial, which is going to help. And here 2n minus r plus 1 factorial into r plus 1 factorial. So definitely this and this gone, correct? Till here it is done. Now LHS, RHS, you need to solve it. Definitely one formula was there. This term and this term plus 1. That last time I have explained this part formula. When upside is same, that is NCX is equal to NCY. So when both will be exactly same, then we can write X plus Y. X plus Y, that part will be there equal to whatever values will be coming. Understood? So X plus Y will be there and that will be equal to N. X plus y is equal to n. So directly we will write it as 2n. Understood? So here, with better than that, these two terms we are going to write 3r minus 1, because this solving means it will take time. So 3r minus 1 plus r plus 1 is equal to 2n. So definitely 4r is equal to 4r is equal to 2n. So definitely beta 2r is equal to n. So option is this one. I hope you might have understood better. 2r is equal to n. Option A, two people has given the answer. So this is option A as the answer. Okay, I'll go little slow. Come on, go for it. Come on, try out. Nishika, try kar beta. You can do it. Try at least one time. Can I solve? Option D. Okay, let's check this one out, beta. So one simple technique is, first I'll teach with the technique. Try and understand this. So how to solve these type questions? So when somebody will be asking you 1 plus x to the power n is there. So definitely how we are going to start? Just 1 minute. So how we are going to start? 1 plus x to the power 2n is there. We will be thinking like 1 plus x to the power 2n is there. And here 1 plus x to the power 2n minus 1 is there. Okay. Now how to write these sections? So first option D you are telling. Let's check this one out. So when somebody will write what is the coefficient of What is the rth term? Rth term. So if somebody will be asking the coefficient of x to the power r. So coefficient of x to the power r term. So in middle term will be there. So it will become NCR. Okay, NCR. So coefficient of x to the power r term will become NCR. So what is the coefficient of this term? So the coefficient of this term will become, what they are asking in the expansion of this and this. So what is the coefficient of x to the power r in the expansion? So it will become 2n CR, and here it will become 2n minus 1 CR, rth term. Done. Now you have to find the ratio of this. So 2n CR by 2n minus 1 CR. Now here 2n is greater and 2n minus 1 is there. So we will take out one term by n of it. It will exactly get reduced. So when you have to reduce it, you can write 2n by n. It will become 2n minus 1. And here, sorry, bracket I am putting. It is coming 2n minus 1 NCR. Come on, check this one out. So 2n minus 1 NC. N will be exactly written. And here it is 2n minus 1 NCR. So definitely this is cancelled. The ratio is coming as 2:1. That's it. This you have to reduce to this level. It is reduced by 2n by n. How it is reduced by 2n by n? Anybody is having confusion in this part, you remember 2n factorial by, it will become 2n minus r into r factorial. Okay, so one term will come out, it will come out 2n, it is coming as 2n minus 1 factorial. Upside is 2n minus 1 factorial. Now from here, you need to take out 1n. So when you will be taking, because n plus n, r factorial will be as it is. Got it? The moment you will be putting one term out, n minus 1, so it will become 2n minus, one term has to be lesser. Then only it will become 2n minus, because down it will become 2n minus 1 plus r. So definitely from this factorial one term has to be taken out. N will be taken out means it will exactly getting cancelled. So definitely this part will be coming. So one time I have showed you how you are exactly going to do this part. R factorial don't touch. This section only you need to touch 2n minus r. Okay, done. Nishika done. So the ratio is 2:1. Can I go for question number 7? Little bit fast I am going, because only how many questions? 7 questions done. 28 minutes is going to be over. Tomorrow also I am going to keep NCRT question, exemplar question. Today little high question I have taken. Tomorrow we will be taking very low level questions, examination questions. Okay, total little high I have taken, not even little high. Come on, go for it, please. Try this question, Orbita. A and B are coefficient of x to the power n in the expansion of this respectively, then A by B equals, now come on, try this. Come on children, try this question. An exemplar question doubts are there, that also I am going to solve. Same just few minutes before we have solved this question. Ratio is 2:1 only now. We need not to solve this question. Directly answer is coming, beta. 1 plus x to the power 2n and 1 plus x to the 2n minus 1. N part is there. Yes, beta. The last part explanation is, now look here. Previous question also same part is there, beta. So this question also I am going to explain that part. Okay. I'll explain, beta. One term I have to take out. How we are doing it? This part. Same question, na? Siddharth, same part question, beta. So here it will become 2n x to the power n, they told, na beta. So here Cn. Done. This will become your A beta. Now B part will become what beta? It is 2n minus 1 Cn. Done. Now beta, this term is bigger and this term is smaller. Okay, so we have to solve this term. Upper side term we have to solve. For this, for combination, one formula is there beta. Ki if NCR is there, okay, so just you take out N and R. If you will multiply, then the term will become N minus 1 CR minus 1. The term will be reduced by 1 if you will take out N and R. Got it? So here N and R, the moment you are taking out, it will become N minus 1 and CR minus 1. The moment you will substitute here, again it will become the same beta. The moment you will substitute here, again it will become the same. So same format here you are going to apply. So here it will become 2N and then next part is 2N minus 1. I think there R was written. I have to write N. In Haribari I wrote that. So here it is coming as what? 2N minus N. So definitely beta here 2N minus N part will be there. So if this N part is there, so it will become 2N minus N and here N factorial. So definitely one term if I will take out, that is 2N by N, then it will become 2N minus 1 factorial by here it is coming N factorial. So definitely from here one term N is coming out. So it will become N factorial by N minus 1. So this part will reach without doubt. So it is going to come, this part and this part will get cancelled, 2 will come. So this is nothing but beta 2N minus 1 C N, because N minus 1 factorial. And this part is coming because N factorial means 2N minus 1 will come, and this part is coming as 2N minus 1 Cn. This will cancel, answer is coming as 2. This will cancel and that part is coming as 2 beta. So Siddharth, what we are doing here na beta, that formula wise one term will get reduced. Formula wise one term will get reduced. The formula is this one Siddharth. NCR is equal to, formula is n factorial by n minus r factorial into r factorial beta. So in this, if I am going to take out n, then it will become n minus 1 factorial. And from this r I am taking out, so it will become r minus 1 factorial. And then it is coming as n minus r factorial. So definitely there plus minus I will take, plus minus I will take. Inside also it will be changed beta. So it will become n minus r. I am solving the entire process for you, Siddharth. So n minus 1 factorial and n minus r minus 1 you keep as it is beta. But here you do one thing, n minus r minus 1. So it will minus 1 term. So one term less than that. So now this part totally is coming as what? So n by r will come out and this part is coming in the formula n minus 1 factorial by here n minus 1 minus r minus 1. So definitely it will become what beta? N by r. It is n minus 1 c r factorial because one term less than that will come. N minus 1 will come, one term n r minus 1 factorial means NCR will come. So definitely with this format, we are exactly using and solving the question beta. One term will become less. Then there r minus 1, one r minus 1 term will come out because this is r minus 1, na, so it will become NCR minus 1. One term up, one term down, both will be reduced by 1. Okay. Is it done, Nishi? Everyone, is it done beta? Time is 10 o'clock. Fine. So we have done 7 questions. One more question at least try karo. The two successive term in the expansion of 1 plus x to the power 24 whose coefficients are in the ratio 1:4. Try this question beta. Try this question, beta. Can I solve this question? Tomorrow morning also class is there. Tomorrow morning combination, HOTS question and all the questions I am going to give it. So today first this type questions we must know the two successive terms. So we don't know what are the two successive terms, but their ratio is given. So let the two successive terms are 24 CR or 24 CR plus 1. So if one term is R, another term will become R plus 1. Now beta their ratio is given as 1 is to 4. So that means 24 CR by 24 CR plus 1 is equal to 1 by 4 given beta. Okay. So here what it will become? 24 factorial by 24 minus r factorial into r factorial. Now down 24 factorial by 24 minus r minus 1, because minus 1 time itself I spread, and then here r plus 1 factorial, and that will be equal to 1 by 4. So this and this will get cancelled. Now what is the next short? So here it is 1 by 24 minus r factorial into r minus into r factorial. Understood? Now denominator part will go up. We will write r plus 1 factorial, r plus 1 into r factorial. So this r factorial will get cancelled beta. Now here it is 24 minus 1, this is 23, because this part will come up only now, because with this only. So it is coming 23 minus r factorial is equal to 1 by 4. Now here 24 is there. So most of the factorial gone, it only this one is left. So we'll write 24 minus r. One term less than that is 23 minus r factorial. Now we have r plus 1 up and 23 minus r factorial. This and this will get cancelled. It is coming as 1 by 4. So now that means r plus 1 will be multiplied with 4, because this one will multiply with 4, and that is 24 minus r. So 4r plus 4 is equal to 24 minus r. So 100% this one will shift. It is coming as 5r is equal to 20. So r is coming as 4. R is coming as 4. So first term is fourth term and second term will become, so here first term R is 4 and here 5. So fourth term and fifth term. Option number B, fourth term and fifth term. Like this questions has to be solved. If binomial questions are given, means seriously the terms and all these questions we must be solving. Beta, how is the session? 40 minutes over. So can you tell me how was the session? Nearly 8 questions we tried in 40 minutes. Speed is definitely very bakwas, but I tried to solve in fast speed. Till your examination, every night can I keep 40-minute session, irrespective of time? Come on, children, you are only going to decide. Tomorrow morning again I am keeping class for combinations. Is it okay? Tomorrow also morning I am keeping combination revision, but first I will do NCRT revision and some case study revisions. Is it okay for you? No reply. Nice. Super. Okay. Whatever is there, you explain me in the group. I will do accordingly. Okay. Bye, everyone.